Gorman-Green, Cherokee 4257 Juliet's back taxiing on 34 Gorman-Green. This will give us a downhill roll. Soft field, we're going to use all available runway.
Yeah, especially with 3 people.
Yeah. Been nicer if we had a headwind instead of crosswind, but
yeah,
it is what it is.
Got to work with what you got.
Yeah. First do a run up. Everything checks out. All right. Soft field, no obstacle. Flaps. 2 knots. Carb heat cold. Brakes hold. Throttle full open. Wrong. Reading the wrong one. Full open. Rotate ASAP. Airspeed 80 and ground effect. Climb at 75. All right. Rich. Gorman-Green, Cherokee 4257 Juliet's departing 34 Gorman-Green. We're done. Yeah, we didn't do that one. I didn't like those wires.
They don't look very appealing, that's for sure.
No. I don't think I like the 2 notches of flaps either. All right.
Randy, you going to depart 16 then?
Yeah, I think I am. I didn't like the wires down here.
Oh, roger that. Do I have time to taxi down there, or are you going to go for it now?
No, come on down, Dave.
Six is always a good takeoff, guys, even if it's like 10 knots or less. No obstructions.
Okay, great. Thanks. I'm gonna. Yeah, I didn't like the wires down here, Gail.
Made a smart move.
Absolutely.
They need to tell them they need to get rid of their wires.
Yeah. The basketballs don't.
You don't want to nick your wheels on that
No.
as you're going past. Not very good.
All right, we're gonna try something different this time. I need you to put your camera down if you don't mind.
Yes, sir.
I want you to help.
Okay.
I'm gonna, in order to get speed built up at fastest we possibly can,
Yeah.
we're gonna accelerate with no flaps.
Okay.
Okay? I want you, get a feel for this,
Okay.
pull it to 1 notch.
Okay.
When I tell you, flaps, pull it to 1 notch and leave it there.
Okay.
Try it. Flaps.
Do you want a slow or quick?
Quick is fine.
Okay. Okay.
Flaps. There you go. And then leave it there, and then once I get up, I'll put them back down.
Okay, Randy, you're clear.
Yes, sir. We're going to try it again.
Okay, flaps are down.
Flaps are down. Okay.
Hands on it.
Yep. There's 40. There's 50. There's 60. Flaps. There we go.
You guys scared me.
Why?
I know you know what you're doing.
Textbook operation right there.
What's that?
Textbook operation.
Yep. Gorman-Green, Cherokee 4257 Juliet, departing the pattern to the west. Gorman-Green. Thanks a lot, Gayle. Thanks, Rich.
You safe travels back.